When working with a Dremel rotary tool, safety should always be your top priority. Even though these tools are compact and easy to handle, they operate at very high speeds, and their versatility means you might be cutting, grinding, sanding, or polishing a wide variety of materials. Each of these activities comes with its own set of risks, so it's essential to protect yourself before you even turn the tool on. Start with your eyes. Eye protection is absolutely non-negotiable. The Dremel's high-speed rotation can send tiny fragments of metal, wood, plastic, or other materials flying through the air in an instant. Even the smallest particle can cause serious injury if it strikes your eye. Always wear safety goggles or a full-face shield. Standard eyeglasses are not enough, as they don't provide the coverage or impact resistance you need. Next, think about your lungs. Many Dremel tasks create fine dust or release fumes, especially when you're cutting materials like wood, plastics, or some metals. This dust can be harmful if inhaled. A quality dust mask or respirator will filter out dangerous particles and help protect your respiratory system. Choose a mask that fits snugly and is rated for the materials you'll be working with. Protecting your hands is also crucial. While you want to maintain dexterity and control, you also need to shield your skin from sharp edges, hot surfaces, or accidental slips. Cut-resistant gloves or well-fitted work gloves can provide a good balance between protection and precision. Make sure the gloves aren't too bulky, as you want to maintain a firm grip on the tool without sacrificing your ability to maneuver it accurately. Your ears shouldn't be overlooked. Dremel tools aren't the loudest power tools, but prolonged exposure to their high-pitched whine can still cause hearing fatigue or even damage over time, especially in confined spaces. Consider using earplugs or noise-reducing earmuffs. If you expect to work for extended periods or in environments where sound echoes, loose clothing and jewelry can become safety hazards around rotating tools. Before you begin, remove any bracelets, necklaces, or watches, and avoid wearing long, flowing sleeves. If you have long hair, tie it back securely to prevent it from getting caught in the tool's spinning attachments. It's also wise to think about your overall workspace. Make sure your area is well lit so you can see your work clearly and spot potential hazards before they become problems. If you're working with materials that can produce sparks, such as metal, keep flammable items far away and consider wearing flame-resistant clothing. Some users prefer to wear a light apron to protect their clothes and skin from flying debris or accidental contact with the tool. This can be especially helpful if you're doing tasks like sanding or grinding, which often produce more dust and particles. Finally, always read the manufacturer's safety instructions for both your Dremel tool and any attachments you're using. Some accessories may require special precautions or additional protective gear. Taking a few minutes to review these guidelines can help you avoid accidents and ensure you're using the tool as intended. In summary, the essential safety gear when using a Dremel includes safety goggles or a face shield, a dust mask or respirator, cut-resistant or snug-fitting work gloves, hearing protection, and appropriate clothing. By preparing properly and respecting the tool's power, you can work confidently and safely, letting your creativity shine without unnecessary risk.